So in question number 2, we have given that draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Then through X, draw a line M parallel to L. So first we have to draw a line L of any measurement. So first I will draw a line L of any measurement. Say here, say this is the line L. I've drawn a line L. Okay. Now we have to draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. So I will take a point on L. Say the point is say A. I've taken a point A on L, and then I have to draw a perpendicular on L through this point A using compass. So I will place the needle head on A and I will draw an arc of any radius cutting the line L at 2 points. So I've drawn one arc cutting the line L at 2 points. Say the 2 points are B and C. Say these are the 2 points B and C. This is B point and this is C point. Okay. After that, I have to extend the compass little bit. I have to extend it little bit, and I will draw two arcs from the 2 points B and C. But mind it, both the radius of the two arcs would be same. Whatever I take, any convenient radius. So from B point, I will take a radius and I will draw an arc. Say this is the arc from the point B, and the same I will take from the point C. Whatever I have taken from B, the same I will take from the point C, and they will intersect each other at a point say D. This point I am taking as D. Now I will join the line AD and I'll extend to an unknown length, say Y. Okay. Right. Now my perpendicular is drawn. Now they have told that on this perpendicular choose a point X 4 cm away from L. So on the scale I will measure 4 cm using my compass. I have taken 4 cm. Okay. And from A I will draw one 4 cm arc on the line AY. So wherever it is cutting the line AY, this point I will mark as X. So this is my X point. Okay. Now on this X, which is 4 cm away, 4 cm away from the line L, I will draw a line M parallel to L. So for this I have to measure again the radius AC. I have to measure again the radius AC. Okay. And this point of intersection I am giving as say the point I. Wherever it is cutting the line AY, I am giving as I, and I am taking AC as the radius, and from the point X I will draw an arc same as the radius AC. So from the X point I will draw an arc same as radius AC. Suppose here I am drawing it. Okay, one arc is drawn, and suppose the name of this arc is GF. Okay, now taking IC as the radius or CI as the radius, taking CI as the radius, so I have given the point name as I. Now taking CI as the radius, I will draw an arc from the point where it is cutting the line AY. The previous arc where it is cutting, say it is cutting at H. Okay, so from the point H and radius equal to IC, I will draw an arc. From the point H and radius equal to IC, I will draw an arc which is cutting the previous arc at another point, and say this point's name I am giving as J. Okay, now I have to join this XJ and extend it on both sides. I have to join this point XJ and extend it on both sides so that it becomes parallel to the line L. Now I have to give a name to this, so I am giving it as M. So I am repeating the construction again. First, what I have done, first I have drawn a line L, then I have taken a point A on it, then I have drawn an arc from the point A of any convenient radius cutting the line L at 2 points B and C respectively. Now taking B and C as centers, I have drawn two arcs of same radius cutting each other at D. Then I have joined this AD. Okay, I have joined this AD and extended to Y. Okay, after that I have taken A as the center and I have drawn one 4 centimeter arc. I have drawn one 4 centimeter arc on AY cutting it at X as told in the question. Now taking AC as the radius, I have drawn an arc GF from the point X cutting AY at H. Then taking H as the center and radius equal to IC, I have drawn another arc from the point H cutting the previous arc GF at J. Then I have joined XZ and extended to M. So line M is parallel to L. Okay, now we'll go for the steps of construction. So the steps of construction, you see, whatever we have drawn, the same thing we can make and write. Okay, don't learn the steps of construction, you have to make it by yourself and write it. So number one, first what we have done, first we have drawn a line L with a point A on it. So what we have done, a line L is drawn with a point A on it. Then number two, taking A as center, taking A as center, an arc of any convenient radius is drawn, cutting L at B and C respectively. Then number 3, taking B and C as center, arcs of same radius are drawn, cutting each other at D. Taking B and C as centers, two arcs are drawn, cutting each other at D. Till here we have done. Now we'll take one 4 centimeter. So number 4, first we have to extend it. So AD should be joined and extended to Y. So first number 4, we'll write AD is joined and extended to Y. Then number 5, taking A as center, an arc of radius 4 centimeter should be drawn, cutting this AY at X. Now taking A as center, an arc of 4 centimeter is drawn, cutting AY at X. Then number 6, taking X as center, an arc GF is drawn with radius equal to AC, cutting AY at H. Okay, then number 7 I'm writing here. Taking H as center, an arc of radius equal to IC is drawn, cutting GF at J. Number 8, XZ is joined and extended to form line M. Last, hence M is parallel to L. Hence this line M is parallel to the line L. Okay, so I guess all of you have understood it. So as you follow the steps of construction, the first we have to draw a line L with a point A on it. Then taking A as center, an arc of any convenient radius is drawn, cutting L at B and C. Okay. Then taking B as C as center, arc of same radius are drawn, cutting each other at D. Okay. Then AD is joined and extended to Y. Then taking A as center, an arc of 4 cm is drawn. Cutting AY at X. Now taking X as center, an arc is drawn, say GF, cutting this AY at H. Now taking H as center, another arc is drawn, which is same as radius equal to IC. Okay, and it is cutting the previous arc GF at J. Now XZ is joined and extended to a line M, and hence M is parallel to L.